Hi guys, thank you. Oh my God, I know I was little, but not that little. Thank you very much for being here tonight. We're gonna show you our last project of this evening. It's called Reflux. And let's talk first, what's my name? My name is Pamela, this is Thomas, and we've been working for the last 2 weeks in a project I'm passionate about. I've been working in education for the last 10 years, and I was a French teacher back in Mexico. So I've been working here in Paris for 3 years in a nonprofit organization, and Claire, my boss, who's here tonight, asked me to find a solution for teachers right now. So what's the problem right now with teachers? They are all creating content and adapting content, but they don't have an online place to create and share it. So we would like to have a solution for every teacher in the world. We just can't do it right now. So we just went and look for French teachers who are teaching French worldwide. So why is that? French is the 5th world language in the world, and it's the only language alongside English who is spoken in all continents. We're talking about 125 million students who are learning French as a foreign language. And we're talking about 900,000 teachers worldwide who are teaching in the same way. So we went out there and we talked to them. So how they are working, how they are doing to teach French to non-French speakers. And actually, one of the first things that we learn is that when they're preparing lessons, they're having trouble finding quality content online. Second of all, they are using video and multimedia content, but they don't know how to integrate in the lessons. I don't know if you try to print a video, we can't. So it's actually really difficult. And third of all, they want to share and adapt content they find online. So they don't have actually right now a dedicated place to do it. So basically, we're trying to answer to 3 main problems: quality content, how to use videos, how to share and adapt lessons from teachers worldwide.
So basically, Reflux will give the opportunity to teachers to create, share, and adapt their content, their own digital content with video, text, PDF, and also interactive exercises. As you can see on the screen, we decided to go on colorful and dynamic color palettes to match with the teachers' behaviors. Regarding the problem and the competitors we found during the research phase, we decided to go to focus on just one main features, which is reuse and adapt the content made by teachers to differentiate us from a classic editor. Now Pamela is going to introduce the user interface we designed.
Just to look up for videos. And what I needed the most was to see how teachers were using that content, actually. So let's imagine, well, this is our first visit to the website, and we are looking at the content we have. We have a great teacher, Philippe, who just made a content about Molière. Okay, that's a cool one. And we're talking about 34 people who like the content. So let's gonna see it. And we have a video of the movie Molière. And as you can see here, we have, so the video, a little bit of text, and we have a quiz for the students. We have here a PDF for the teacher, so he can work with this content with their students. And actually, I like this one, and I'm gonna adapt it. So before that adapted, I'm gonna say like, thank you, because I mean, that's polite, right? So I'm being cool, I like it, and I'm going to the editor part. It's exactly the same thing that you just saw before, only you have this part, so you can add text, video, questions, an exam, or a PDF. So actually, I just want to change the video, and I'm going to change only the link for a new video of Molière, which is actually shorter. And actually that's it, because the rest of things, it's really nice. So I'm going to publish. And when you publish, you're accepting to share your content with all teachers that are on the platform. So actually, that's what teachers wanted us to do. So I think that's it.
So during all the process of creation, we've been through different iteration and modelization of the solution before designing this one. Indeed, the main feature we propose is to give the possibility to the teacher to create, share, and adapt the content for the lessons and share it with other teachers. And nowadays, education is inside the digital revolution, and teachers are ready to take the turn. So this kind of solution helps to give a jump for for the education of tomorrow. Thank you. I know what's next.
I know what's next.
What's next?
So before going just to Christmas, what's next? So we will prototype all the scenarios because we want to see exactly what's happening with all the features. We're going to do some remote testing with all teachers worldwide who's waiting really for us. And we're going to work a little bit more on economical model. So thank you. Oh, that was you. Thank you.